Hey, we're back. Got a whole bunch of projects we're working on today as we get ready for Easter and our ducky race that'll be down at the creek. But right now I'm working on, started this morning working on getting a bunch of stumps that trees that I've taken out and taken them over to the burn area and starting to burn those up. We also, we wanted to rent a wood chipper, commercial wood chipper that'll do, I think, up to 8 or 10 inch trees. We don't really have any that big that we need to do, but we've used the smaller ones that say up to 3 to 4 inches, and they just are a pain to use. So the commercial wood chipper that's for rent here in town is booked up. It's got a waiting list, so I've got to wait to use that. But when I do, we're gonna chip up this brush pile down here, and I've got some trees laying out in the woods that I need to bring in. We'll chip those up as well, and we'll put that all around the garden area. But the main project of today is setting these posts to continue on the tractor shop. So I'm just using some of the trees that we had and putting them in concrete, and then I'll use some of the lumber that we got from a tree, or a couple of trees that we cut down in the front yard or the side yard. And we have a website or a Facebook site called the Big Sandy Bartering page, and one of the members of that page had a sawmill. We hope to have one sometime, but somebody on that page had a sawmill and traded trees for him milling up some of my trees. So I had 4 trees. I gave him 2 trees. He milled up 2 of my trees into 2x4s and some slabs and some raw edge slabs that Chris can use for her crafts. But right now we're setting these posts right in concrete. level on it, but since this post is crooked, it just really needs to be kind of in the general area level. I eyeballed it up with the rest of the post. We're in good shape. And just like that, we've got our post set. So now that we got the post up for the tractor shop, or the extension of the tractor shop, we are going to get some of these 2x6s that are left over from our front porch, and I think we'll probably need 2 of them. I think we're probably going to cut them, put them about 1.5 feet in the ground, and maybe 6 feet, 5 feet, probably 5 feet off the ground, so that the grandkids can get to the bell and ring it. So I'm going to grab a couple of these with the excavator and take them over there near where we're going to put them in the ground until Chris is done mowing, and then we'll do that little project together. At least get these in the ground. We're going to be putting those in the ground right where we had the landscaping done. So we got to dig that gravel out and pull the landscaping fabric back, and then drill our holes, auger our holes, put the post in the ground. Then we'll put all the gravel and fabric back around the posts, and then mount the bell on top.